Hey everyone, if you want to become a better developer, these tools can really help you. First, vscode, a simple and powerful code editor that makes coding faster and easier. Next, Figma, used to design user interface and turn ideas into real designs. Then GitHub, a platform to store your code, track changes, and work with other developers for solving coding problems. Stack Overflow is a very useful. You can find answers to almost every coding questions. Now Docker, it's help you to run your applications smoothly on any system. For managing projects, Jira is used by many professional teams to track tasks and progress. And finally, Postman, a great tool to test API and understand how backend system works. These tools will make your coding journey easier and more professional. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe and more coding content. Thanks for the